Lift me up.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in this video I'll be using my expression to do my hair. Yes guys, just watch how I'm going to achieve this look. I've done this tutorial before. If you have not seen it, check it out, how you can coil your hair with your expression. So guys, I'm just rolling my expression on top of the stick. Yes, so later on I'm going to put it inside the hot water and all that. So guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not done so, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If this is what you are going to try, do let me know in the description. Like, do let me know in the comment section. So guys, after twisting it, this is what it looks like. Yes, I will be doing another one for me to show you all. You know, I like to do my tutorial very well the way you guys are going to understand it. So this is me trying to do another one. Like, I have done like 5 already. I'm doing the 6th one now, so you guys can see how this thing looks. It's very easy. Like I will always say, you must not be a stylist before you can achieve this coils. Like, you must not be a stylist before you can achieve these coils. You can use anything just to roll it. You see what the final result will looks like. Yes, this is me. At this point I've already finished doing all this thing, and this is my hot water. I put my condition that I normally use to wash my hair. That is what I use, so it will be very soft. This is me trying to make sure everything entered. Then you all know that here abroad there is no sun. Like this period we are now, there is no sun. The day I did this thing, like for example, let me say I did it today, the next other day I make my hair, because I could not make my hair that same day, because I really wanted this thing to dry very well. This is me taking out the excess one, like the one I did not need. Like, I dry this thing on top of the heater. That's just the best place for me to dry this thing, because I really wanted it to dry very well. Guys, do you know that feelings, like when you want to make your hair? This is the feeling right now. This is the feeling. I'm so happy. Anytime I want to make my hair, I'm so happy. I don't even know anytime I'm making my hair. I don't really know why I'm happy. I don't even know if I'm happy because I want to make my hair, or I don't know. For me, I feel there's something unique about making your hair new. But normally I do see some people, when they are making their hair, they are angry, maybe because the hair is too tight, or I don't even know. But me, I'm always happy whenever I want to make my hair and all that. Guys, what do you think? Have you noticed that I'm always happy? Like, I'm always happy. I swear, because I'm happy that I'm making new hair and all that. Like, just that vibe. I just like that vibe. So guys, in this video I'll be doing side parts. Yes, side parts. I'll be cutting my hair on top of this braid. Guys, just watch this video to the end. Do let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will see you very soon.
Lift me up. Hold me down. Keep me close. Safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you deep water. Keep me safe and sound. Lift me up. Hold me down. Keep me close. Safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe. Safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me safe. We need light, we need love. Lift me up in your arms. I need love, I need love, I need love. Hold me, 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 hold me. We need light, we need love. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love.
Guys, what are you saying? Are you seeing what I am saying? Are you seeing what I am seeing? Oh my gosh, this hair looks so natural. Like when I go out, a lot of people are saying, wow, this hair looks so natural. I told them that it's not my hair, it's expression. I use 1 pack of expression, 1.5 expression for this hair, and this is my styling must. Guys, you need styling must for your curling hair, any kind of hair at all. Even if you braid your hair, you need styling must. Make it shine, like make the hair to relax and look more beautiful. Like this hair looks so natural. There's nothing you are going to tell me. Yeah, this hair looks so natural. Like right now, I'm already feeling my hair like the boss lady, like the peculiar beauty you all know. I'm feeling my hair already. Like this hair looks so beautiful. I like it the way it is. The back is longer than the front. I like it. This is exactly how I wanted it to be, like a baby hair. Guys, let me know what you think about this video.